Viewers, welcome to Eastern Model Bio. In this video, I will be talking about Leidy Amelia, biography, wiki, age, height, net worth, measurements, and more. If you are new here, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the new updates. Leidy Amelia is a Cuban fitness model, TikTok star, and Instagram star. She is famous for her modeling photos and fitness tips and tricks on Instagram. Leidy Amelia's rise to prominence can be attributed to her active presence on social media platforms, particularly Instagram. She started an Instagram account in 2016 and attracted a large following. Through her carefully curated posts and captivating visuals, the stunning woman has amassed a significant following and established herself as an influential figure in the fashion and modeling industries. Additionally, she provides advice on how to maintain a fit figure and how to look beautiful. As a model, Amelia also showcases her unique style and versatility through her fashion collaborations and professional photo shoots. Her ability to effortlessly embody different looks and trends has caught the attention of both brands and followers, propelling her career forward. The Virgo model collaborates with a number of well-known companies, including Fashion Nova, Lounge Underwear, Cuts Women, Bow and T, and Joa Brown. For her shoots, she also collaborates with several well-known photographers. Her influence extends beyond her modeling endeavors to her audience engagement and audience connection skills. In addition to Instagram, she set up accounts on TikTok. Her admirers like her stylish sense and find inspiration in her posts, which frequently feature lifestyle, fashion, and beauty-related topics. The Cuban woman mostly focuses on modeling and social media, but she also has an impact in other facets of the entertainment business. She is well positioned to advance in her profession and have a significant impact on the business because of her unwavering commitment to her craft and the encouragement of her devoted fans. Amelia makes the decision to keep her personal affairs, especially her love life, confidential. About her lover or their past relationship, there is no specific information available. Leidy Amelia's net worth is around $100,000 to $1 million. She makes money from her modeling work, brand collaborations, and endorsements on TikTok and Instagram. Thanks for watching.